Hello my friends and welcome to Rocca Calascio, a hidden gem nestled amidst the picturesque landscapes of Abruzzo, Italy. Join us on an extraordinary adventure as we explore the captivating streets, indulge in delicious local cuisine, and marvel at the charming buildings and houses that make this town a true Italian treasure. Situated at the foothills of the majestic Gran Sasso mountain range, Rocca Calascio transports you to a world of breathtaking natural beauty. The town's location is a paradise for nature lovers, with lush valleys, rolling hills, and snow-capped peaks painting a captivating backdrop. Prepare to be swept away by the serenity and tranquility that permeates every corner of this remarkable destination. As we meander through Rocca Calascio's ancient streets, you'll discover a charming tapestry of history and culture. The narrow cobblestone alleys wind their way through the town, revealing a wealth of architectural delights at every turn. Admire the centuries-old buildings that stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, each one showcasing a unique blend of medieval and Renaissance influences. Indulge your senses in the tantalizing flavors of Abruzzo's renowned cuisine. The local trattorias and family-run restaurants offer a delectable array of dishes that showcase the region's culinary prowess. From hearty pasta dishes, such as arrosticini and maccheroni alla chitarra, to savory roasted meats and flavorful cheeses, Rocca Calascio will tempt your taste buds with its authentic and mouth-watering delights. Immerse yourself in the architectural splendor that graces Rocca Calascio. At the heart of the town stands the magnificent fortress that shares its name, Rocca Calascio. Dating back to the 10th century, this medieval marvel is perched on a hilltop, offering panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Its imposing stone walls, soaring towers, and intricate details speak to the skill and craftsmanship of its creators. Beyond the fortress, the town's buildings and houses exude an undeniable charm. Picture charming stone cottages adorned with vibrant flowers, their rustic beauty creating a harmonious blend with the natural surroundings. Stroll along the streets lined with traditional houses, their colorful facades reflecting the warmth and character of the local community. Each step through Rocca Calascio feels like a journey through time, transporting you to a simpler, more authentic way of life. Capture the essence of Rocca Calascio's idyllic location as you explore the surrounding landscapes. The town serves as a gateway to the breathtaking Gran Sasso National Park, a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Discover pristine alpine meadows, crystal-clear lakes, and cascading waterfalls that invite you to embrace the wonders of nature. Thank you for joining me through this captivating story of Rocca Calascio, where ancient streets, mouth-watering cuisine, and architectural marvels await. Let the charm of this town and its unique character capture your imagination as you embark on a journey through time and beauty in one of Italy's most enchanting destinations. Please don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below and let us know where you'd like to see next. Until next time. Thank you for taking this journey with me throughout all of Italy and Sicily. I pray you have a great day. Ciao.